Hello, my name's Chris Holland and I'm also known as the Didgeridoo Man. This is the first of my Didgeridoo diaries, Food for the Soul from the musical Forager. And today we're going to be looking at this wonderful plant over here in my garden called nettles. It's probably one you know quite well. Let's have a look up close, and after this I'm going to play a little bit of music inspired by the nettle. So this plant here is the stinging nettle. It's Britain's wonder veg because it's so full of vitamins and minerals, but people don't really eat it because it has stinging hairs all over it. So when you pick it, it can give you a little jolt. But it's not a bad thing to be stung by nettles. In fact, many people use them for arthritis and sort of rheumatism to stop their hands from aching quite so much, and it brings circulation to the places and the joints which are aching. The Romans used to use it to help them stay awake. They would sort of thrash their legs and with the nettles, and it would just keep them awake on long marches. I've tried this too. It definitely works. I've also used it to help me with aching leg muscles too. Anyway, Urtica dioicea, that's it. This is the plant, and I'm going to make a didgeridoo rhythm to go along with it. So this little musical piece played on my didgeridoo is based upon two things. It's based upon the Latin name, which is Urtica dioica, and then the other thing is that the leaves, when they come out in these opposite pairs. So I'll be doing improvising around alternate pairs of rhythmic sound. So let's just give it a go. So there you go, little piece of music about this wonderful plant called a nettle. And if you're out walking about, then you might notice it and go, rather than just going, ah, it's a nettle, you might look at it and go, wow, that is a pretty cool plant. It's full of vitamins and minerals. It's been used for thousands of years as medicine and food. And you know, one of my favourite things to do with this is to make a nettle pakora. So you can make a little light flour, you can dip the tip of the nettle into it and fry it up. And the other thing you can do, if you want a raw vitamin pill, is you have to learn how to roll them up carefully without getting stung, or just have thick old fingers like my hands have, and you can roll them up, scrunch them in your hands. Obviously you want to make sure you don't pick this from where the dogs might pee or something like that, but there you go. Amazing. And they all have slightly different flavours as well depending on where they're grown. But that is really delicious. So there you go. Plant of the day, nettle. Thanks a lot for watching.